Hello everybody, Miss B here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool in case you want to use the snipping tool. Well, you have to use it for the HTML website that you're building because you can't upload the website and show it. So for the website, you have to use it. So first of all, go to where your start button is. And I'm using Windows 8, so my start button is different. Then you're going to search for snipping, and I just put in SN, and the snipping tool will appear. And this is the snipping tool. So let me go to a website and pull up my snipping tool. So what I need to do here is go to the drop down arrow and say full screen snip, and it has taken a picture of my website. So the first, which you see me moving around, is the image of my website, and back here is the actual website. So I need to save it, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. And I do see it now. I'm just going to let it say capture. Okay, and then I'm going to click out of it, and then I'm going to go and see where the picture is. This is the hardest part. I have a hard time finding the picture because when I have the recorder on, I can't see everything. So here it is. So if I can double click on it, it will open, and that is the image. Okay, so what I want to do now with this image right here is I want to go to Canvas, and then I want to upload. Let me just find out where I have the upload. Here it is, upload additional work for ePortfolio. So I want to click in there. And once I click in there, what I want to do is I want to upload all of the images that I need. Now, my Canvas will look different than yours, but you'll have a submit an assignment button here. And you just upload everything that you need. Now, to make the ePortfolio, just follow the video that I gave you on how to create an ePortfolio. But you do go to accounts, and then you go down to ePortfolio. Okay, and then from there you say create an ePortfolio, and then you name your ePortfolio and you make it public. Then you say make ePortfolio. Okay, and then you go ahead and start with your welcome page, and you edit that page. And then if you want to put in any course submissions, you click on course submissions, but you won't put course submissions in the welcome page, but all the other pages you will. So if you just follow the instructions on the first video, you shouldn't have any problems. Okay, everybody, I will see you on finals week. Have a great day. Bye-bye.